Hello students, today we are understanding the concept of super subtraction from left to right. Check this out very carefully. Suppose I have a number 74 and 38. We have understood this in simple place value subtraction, but if the number is bigger, then we use this concept which is very useful. Check it out. 7 minus 3 is 4. This is a possible situation that you can subtract 3 out of 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. But again, as you have done in super addition, this you have to check the next number. If this is not possible, if these two numbers are in the combination of not possible numbers, then we will less 1 out of this answer. 7 minus 3 is 4, but 4 less 1 is 3. This is the one step. Second is, we'll check up 4 minus 8 is not possible. So what we will do? We'll take the concept of complements. We'll take the complement of below number. I'm writing the rule over here. Complement of below number added in the above number. That is, complement of 8 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. This is my answer. Let's take another example. 9 minus 7 is 2, but the next is not possible. So I'll write 1 over here. Complement of 7 is 3. Add up in the above number. Answer is 6. No need to write this. You can keep this number in a mind also. अभी इतने टाइम से हम कैलकुलेशंस कर रहे हैं, आपको नंबर्स को माइंड में रखना आ गया होगा. एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं. 8 minus 3 is 5. Next is not possible. So I'll write 5 over here, and complement of 8 is 2. Added up in the above number, 2 plus 4 is 6. This is my answer. I'm taking a bigger number. Seven minus 3 is 4. एक मिनट, ये वाला नंबर नहीं लेंगे, मैं इसको स्पेशल केस है ये, मैं अभी नेक्स्ट नंबर में समझा देती हूँ. 7 minus 3 is 4. Next is not possible, so we'll make it 3. जब भी आपके पास नॉट पॉसिबल पेयर ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशंस आए, हमें उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट के मेथड से ही करना है. सो 6 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट 4. 4 प्लस 4 इज 8. नेक्स्ट इज अगेन नॉट पॉसिबल, सो 8 का 7 कर लेना है. 5 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट अगेन नॉट पॉसिबल, 2 माइनस 5. सो 5 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट 5. 5 प्लस 2 इज 7, and next is same number. Answer is 0. अभी एक क्वेश्चन में आपने देखा कि मैंने उसको 4 लिखा था. देखो ध्यान से, एक और क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं. पहले मैं एक क्वेश्चन और कर रही हूँ, उसके बाद उस स्पेशल केस को समझाएंगे इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. Eight minus 2 is 6. Next is not possible, so it will be less by 1. 5. Complement of next is again not possible, and this is also 4 out of 7 cannot be subtracted. So complement of 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Next is not possible, so I'll reduce by 1. Complement of 7 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. Next is possible, so this will remain 7. 5 minus 4 is 1. Next is possible, that's why. And 4 minus 6 minus 2 will be 4. Soon you will have a good practice of looking at the next number and getting the answer in a right way. And there is a special case of super subtraction. that I will do in the next video. Thank you.